Hello, Off-Road Gaming here, and welcome back to another unboxing video. And this is an unboxing of the miniature Rubik's Cube, I'm pretty sure. Not fully sure. So, not sure if I'm going to need the razor blade for this. Come on, camera. You can do this, camera. Okay, so I think we can just open it like this. Am I wrong? No? I don't know how to open this. Just kind of sad. I'm gonna end up ripping the whole package. That was kind of sad. And, oh yes, here it is. Mini speed cube. Does it work? Oh yes. And it actually works. And it's mini. It's a mini speed cube. It's so small, I'm not used to this. And you can see a Chinese symbol right there. I think it's Chinese, I'm not sure. I don't want to insult anyone. So I'm going to mix this up and solve it in front of the camera. And please watch my Solve Rubik's Cube videos, because they will teach you how to solve this kind of stuff. And also go and watch my other Rubik's videos, like my Gear Cube video. That one's pretty interesting. I see why they call these things speed cubes. They're like really fast to move. I have to remember to keep this in the camera. These things really do move fast, so I guess that's why they're called speed cubes. Camera's going fuzzy again. I'm struggling to hold this in the camera. Okay, so if you enjoyed, please like, comment, subscribe, and sorry if I was holding it down here. I'm not used to this, but okay, see you in the next video. Over and out, or bye.